I like this wig. I still like this wig. I appreciate wigs like this because we need wigs to get up and go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Today I have a wig for you guys that I'm cheesing about because I'm kind of rushing. I'm rushing like nobody's home right now. And I'm trying to film this video like really fast. This is a quick, easy wig. This is a wig for all my beginners, all my people that just need a plop and go. This is that wig. This is that girl. This wig is for you. I do have two colors to show you. I have this black color, and I'm also going to show you this high coconut color with a bang. So I'm going to show you two colors, but this wig was so simple. It was so simple. It was sold out for a little bit, but it's back in stock now. So we're going to see if it's worth it to sell her out again, okay? Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and let's jump. What's up, y'all? So I'm going to try to do this video really quickly. Oh, shoot. I don't have my earrings. See, y'all, see, I'm rushing and I'm not even together. Like, I just put on these little cheap earrings from Amazon. Okay, so I don't even have like my clothes on. Listen, the family is out the house and I need to film these videos, so they're not here right now, and I need to get this done because once they come, I gotta be like, stop, y'all quiet on the set. So this is the perfect wig for quick and easy. So let me hurry up and get this done because this is the perfect wig supposedly for quick and easy. So I saw this wig a while ago. It kind of sold out and it was trending and it was doing good. And it sold out for a very long time, but then it was restocked. You know, when wigs sell out, y'all gotta remember to go back and look for them. So I've been sitting on this wig, but I haven't had time to film it. My life is so busy right now. I'm working a lot. Family is like a lot right now, like trying to make time for the family. You know what I'm saying? It's just a lot going on. So this wig right here is supposed to be really quick and easy, and I realized that I'm learning to appreciate quick and easy wigs like this because recently it was my son's birthday and we went to a water park. We had so much fun. Like, I showed y'all a little picture, but if you were following my stories, you saw it. But we went to a water park, right? And I had my gel braids in, you know. But then it was time to go back to the room and get ready. And I have time to do my hair. But I had a different wig with me that I put on that was like, whoop, oh, I'm ready. I got my wig on. So this is a wig that I can appreciate that's like that because this is a quick, easy wig for beginners. This is a quick, easy wig to get out the door. Like, I'm really learning to appreciate wigs like this when not have time to melt your lace, when you don't want to glue down your wigs. Like, these are the wigs that we need. So it's good to have like alternatives to melt when you have time, and it's good to have alternatives to just be like, whoop, I'm ready. So let me stop yapping. This wig right here is from Freetress. So this is the curtain bang lace wig. It's the Bombshell wig, and I have the color number 2. I actually have 2 colors in this video. I think I have the same color. Yeah, I do. I have this color right here and I have this color. So first, I don't know which one I want to show you guys. I think I'm going to show you this black one because that's the one I grabbed first. Sometimes I like to start with a color and you guys with the black, but let's just see what this one is looking like. So when I say this is for beginners, I mean that. I mean that with my whole heart. Getting a full cap wig is really good for beginners because you literally just put the wig on your head like a hat and you go. I've learned to appreciate those kind of wigs throughout the years. Like I said, I'm just cutting off all of these little dilly daddles. So this is what the cap construction is looking like, guys. You're gonna get some combs in here. It's a full cap wig, but the beauty of this one is you actually get this lace in the middle. Most wigs like this that are bangs don't have this lace. So it's like, you know, it's like in between. It's like, you know, you get your lace and you get your full cap. But you don't have to worry about tweezing up a hairline because the bangs are going to be covering it. All we're probably going to have to do is probably just kind of add a little bit of concealer to that part. But that's pretty much it. As far as the texture, this texture is really silky. It's looking a little shiny on camera. Might be a little shiny. I might have to add some dry shampoo, but we'll see. But I like the texture. Even though it's silky, it's not kinky, it's not yucky. It's like a thick silky. It's not Barbie doll hair, but it feels good. It feels like human hair, like a body wave wig. It's really long and you're gonna get some curls in here. So let's put it on. This is the time to bust out those caps that don't match your complexion. And I say that because normally I go in with black wig caps because I wear lace wigs, but just wear any lace Oh, I forgot I had this on. I was trying to like slick back my hair. Y'all don't mind the whiteness. That's the gel and all that. My hair is growing. It's growing, y'all. It's growing. So I'm going to put a wig cap on for snags. This is the time also to bust out the holy wig caps. We're not worried about all of that because we're just trying to protect our hair and not have the combs like snagging on it. So use up those wig caps. Don't wear new ones. Use those wig caps that don't match your complexion and have holes in them. This is okay. I didn't know what to say, so I just said okay. This is nice, y'all. This is nice. I'm already liking this. I'm not getting much tangling without like, actually, I kind of am. But this texture feels good. Freetress wigs, the textures feel so good that they don't really snag a lot, I noticed, because of the fibers they use. I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but that's expected, you know, when you first kind of brush out the wig. But like after, it's not really shedding, so that's cool. This wig is long. Combing out some of those tangles. I'm gonna add a little bit of wig spray. It's not snaggy, but it feels like it needs a little bit of wig spray. So I just use this wig spray. It's like a leave-in conditioning spray. And I'm also gonna go in with my Simply Styling spray. And that just helps like detangle the wig a little bit and glide your fingers through it. This feels really good. So this wig is definitely giving me when I first started wearing wigs vibes. This is like old school wig days. All right, meaning like it kind of looks wiggy, but it doesn't. It looks good, but it could come off a little wiggy, but I like it though. It's cute. All right, let's customize this a little bit and not make it look so wiggy. Let's play some music. So initially I didn't know how I wanted to comb this. At first I was like, let me play with the bangs, but I'm going to show you that in the other color. I'm just pulling out some hair in the front. I'm not doing too much to this wig. I'm going in with some dry shampoo to eliminate some of the sheen. Just a little tip on synthetic wigs if it's too shiny. And then I'm just going in with a little concealer, guys. Like that's it, not too much. All right, so I'm back. I didn't do much to this wig. I didn't apply any heat. All I did was add a little bit of dry shampoo and some synthetic wig products. How do I feel about this wig? It's very pretty. It's very pretty. It's a plop on your head and go wig. You definitely do have to kind of make it not look so wiggy, meaning like reduce some of the shine. But I think adding a little bit of dry shampoo, like, it's fine. I would suggest going in and cutting a small V in the front and put a little bit of like got-to-be glue to melt it so it looks more scalp-like, because this is giving off like a line of demarcation. This is really reminding me of those wigs I used to wear when I first started my channel. But it could work. I like this wig. I still like this wig. I appreciate wigs like this because we need wigs to get up and go. We need wigs to put on our head when it's time to go to dinner, after you come from the water park, when the Uber is waiting downstairs, when it's time to jump out the bed and go to work. Like, we need wigs to just get up and go. I really do like this. As far as the length, it's really long. This is what it's looking like. Y'all, I'm telling you, you see? I got this bleach shirt on because I don't feel like changing my clothes. I don't feel like getting all jazzy. The kids and the hubby are out the house. They about to be here in 2 seconds. This is all the hair to the front. It's a good density. And this is it in the back. So it's really long. If you want, you could like do the bangs in the front. Maybe if you add some heat hair and kind of mold it a little bit and just frame it. But I like the curtain bang effect. You know, I like it. I'm not doing too much. If I'm getting a wig like this, I don't want to do too much. So let's go ahead and jump into the other color and wrap it up with my final thoughts. So yes, I changed my mind. I'm going to show you how I accomplished doing it with a bang. All you need is a little bit of heat. This still is a synthetic wig, guys, so don't go too high because you don't want to burn the wig. I'm also going to trim up the bangs just a little bit, as you see, but I'm not going to do too much because I kind of still wanted to keep the curtain just in case I wanted to use it, but that's all I cut.
just a little bit. And if you don't want to trim it too much, you can also pull the wig back. This was cute. I was really feeling myself, okay? So I also decided with this one that I did want to cut it. I did film this wig before I filmed Freetress Maven. That one is a little shorter, so check that video out if you don't want to do all of this cutting and customizing. Check that video out. The density is just a tad different, but this is what I ended up doing with this wig. And it's crazy because I bought Maven after I filmed this wig and didn't realize that I basically turned this wig into like Freetress Maven. So let's just go ahead and wrap this up.
All right, my friends, so I'm back with this one. This one is the high coconut. This color is gorgeous, y'all. So as you see, I went in with a bang. I customized it a little bit. As much as I said I am not doing it, I just wanted to see what it was looking like with a bang, because you could wear this with a bang and it's so cute. It's so pretty. If you leave it how it comes, it's really long. I could have probably cut it some more, but I do want to keep it where I can still do like the curtain effect if I wanted to. So I kept like some of the length, but this is really pretty. I also did cut off some of the length, as you guys see. So it's not as long as the other one, because I'm going to end up keeping this. This is not going in a wig sale. I am keeping this wig, and this is what it's looking like in the back. If it's not even, don't judge me. I'm going to go in after. I'm going to fix it some more. So yeah, definitely going with your products. I'm just using a little bit of serum right now, but it's not real snaggy. I feel like after you brush this wig out and comb her, she's a good texture. I really do love Freetress wigs. Like, Freetress is kind of underrated. It's just the problem is they don't have a lot of new releases like some of these other wig companies. So that's why we don't show them as much. The cap feels really good on this. Like, I have no complaints with this wig. Like, she's really cute. She's definitely a great plop on and go. You are going to get this lace in the middle, which is great for wigs like this when they're bangs, because normally it's a full part wig and you don't get a part. So this makes it look more realistic. And I do like that. I like the dark root blending into the highlight. Like, this color is so pretty. This is so pretty. I have reviewed some Freetress wigs before, but this is all they give us. They don't give us much. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Would you buy her? Do you think she's cute? Do you want to see more beginner friendly wigs? Drop some comments down below. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later.